Hey guys, I wanted to give you a quick little tutorial about Mackin Access to all of these ebooks. And so I'll just walk you through it real quickly. If you click the link that I sent you in the email, it should take you directly to a sign-in screen. You guys are going to do first two initials, last name, graduation year here, and then your password would be your lunch number without CCS. So go ahead and log in. It'll bring you to a screen that looks like this. If you look over here on the left, you have lots of different options, all resources, groups, categories, ebooks. Um, the thing that I've found the easiest is to go to the categories because it looks really juvenile, but there really are some books that would work for your age and mine. So like general fiction has lots of 184 titles. If you know specifically that you want a certain genre, like if you have loved historical fiction, then you can click on that. Um, there's a romance category that, I mean, there's everything. So you can go to those, or you could also search. I'm trying to think of how I did this before. I went to romance earlier and just looked around a little bit. Um, and I think, I mean, you can scroll through. We obviously have a lot of time on our hands. Like, I've been wanting to read Emma because the new movie version of Emma has just come out, and I wanted to go see it in the theater, but I think I can maybe get it. Um, I don't know if it's on Netflix or there's some way that I can probably get it while we're home. Um, but Emma is here, a Jane Austen novel, and somehow I never read this one. So I can click to just open it because all of these are just free to look at this point. I already opened it earlier. You have some options over here on the left. You can, if you want to take some notes, you can open the notebook. You can look at the table of contents if you want to go back to a certain chapter. You can bookmark your page to keep your place. You can also, I don't know if this is going to have any advantage right now since all of these are open, but you can also check out right here. Um, and maybe that will, I don't know, maybe that will keep your notes or something. I haven't played with that feature, so I'm not sure. But excuse me, it seems pretty user friendly. Um, let me know if you have questions about it that I can help walk you through. And I hope you find something great to read.